gave me the opportunity to travel to Vietnam because I've never been here before, and I got to know so many sommeliers from around the countries. It's really a great opportunity for me.
I think this competition is very interesting. There's a different task that you have to complete in the different situations.
So today we have competitors from South Korea, mainland China, Hong Kong, Taiwan, Vietnam, Singapore, Malaysia and Indonesia. The first candidate qualified for the Asia Grand Final, is the number 1. Followed by the number 5. And last but not least, number 13.
Hello, my name is Hyisu. I work in Lotte department store in Seoul, in South Korea. Actually, I lived in France for 2 years for studying about the French wine, but yeah, it was the reason why I loved in French wine also.
I think this competition is quite difficult, and to share all of the sommelier, I think it should be work hard and study hard, and very curiosity to any way of the France. Even you study in the wine of the alcohol and some cheeses and any of style of about France. So you should be study hard. So that's why I suggest you to come to this competition. It's a very good place to bring you to in the world.
Hi, my name is Chuan Ann. I'm from Malaysia candidate. So I think for these competitions, it's very good for people to learn more, start to explore about more French wine. So this competition actually makes you meet more people. So actually we can connect to all the Asia countries, sommeliers, and definitely good to participate in this competition. And please enjoy the fun of study and let him gain more knowledge and participate in these competitions.
I know you're waiting very anxiously to know who has won. So once again, I want to congratulate everybody, the organizers and the competitors who made it so great. Thank you again, thank you for your attention, and enjoy your evening. Thank you.
So, the winner is Hyisu HAN, candidat numéro 1. Runner-up is Chung Shu LEE.
And now we're going to welcome the second runner-up.